Emotional and psychological support during the IVF journey. Building a supportive network. Surround yourself with loved ones who understand and sympathize with your IVF journey. Share your thoughts and feelings with them for emotional support. Prioritizing self-care. Take time for yourself and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Self-care helps ease stress and promote emotional well-being. Seeking professional counseling. Consider therapy or counseling to address any emotional challenges during your IVF journey. A trained professional can provide guidance and help you navigate complex emotions. Joining support groups. Connect with others who are on a similar IVF journey. Support groups provide a safe space to share experiences, gain insights, and find comfort in a community. Practicing mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Cultivate mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, and relaxation techniques. These practices can help reduce stress and create a sense of calm during the IVF process. Remember, emotional and psychological well-being are just as important as physical health during the IVF process. By implementing these emotional support strategies, you can navigate the process with greater resilience and positivity.